Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can load your data without converting into a table first. You might have your different reason why you want to do it. For me personally, I do it when I have a spelled formula like this I have in column K, which is a unique formula. Just for the demonstration purposes, it's spelling the range down. Right. And when you convert something like this into a table, a gas fixed basically table doesn't allow spelling formulas, as you know. Okay, and this trick you can also use to load data into pivot table as well without converting into a normal table first, and it will get updated as you add more data beneath the existing data. Okay, let's dive into the video then. So what we have to do to achieve this, you have to select all your data column basically, and then click here and give it a name. I'm gonna call it my data. Press enter, and that's it. Your job is done within the worksheet. Now we're gonna launch the Power Query by going into data, get data from other services, and then at the bottom we're gonna select blank query. And now in the formula bar up here, we're going to type equal Excel current workbook, close parenthesis, press enter. And I don't know why it didn't work when I pressed enter. I had to click, as you see, I had to click here in the blank space. I think there was a glitch there. Usually when you press enter, it should work. It does work. As you can see, your data now, my data has been converted into a table already within the Power Query. All you have to do now is just expand it by clicking on the content. Press OK. Yeah, you get your data within the Power Query. Now you need to clean it a little bit. So let's get rid of null values by clicking on any column and take the null values out, and then scroll to the right, take the table name out, remove. And one thing you may have noticed, the column names are not matching with our data within the sheet. Yeah, so all we have to do, go to transform, use first row as a header, click again, use first row as a header, and now you can see everything is matching with our data within the sheet. Column names are matching, data is matching, all good to go basically. Now we can load this into a pivot table or normal table, whatever you want to do with this now. Oh, the column. Okay, let's see what's this. Launch the Power Query again, or you can right click here and click edit. As you can see, when I promoted the headers, Power Query added extra step itself, change type. I think this one is causing the issue. I don't really need that, so I'm gonna take that off and load now. Yeah. Okay, the column names are still not matching. Let's go back. What's going on? Everything is fine here. Just try to refresh again by right clicking on the table and refresh. Yeah, all fine now. Just be aware of that extra step that Power Query likes to add many times. It's called change type. It likes to convert numbers. into numbers, text into text, and sometimes it doesn't do it very well and mess up with your data. You probably know about it if you're using Power Query for a long time. Basically, this is the way you can now create a pivot table onto the data that you have got now. You can click on pivot table and create the pivot table basically, and every time you're gonna append more data here, it will get updated. Let's try that. Test, and everything else I will keep the same, and refresh here. You see, everything is working as should. Let's say in future you want to expand your columns, yeah, all you have to do, you have to go to search and look for name manager, and within the name manager you click on my data, basically that's your range, and expand it here. Let's say in future you expand it from column A to column L, you just have to type L here. Or you can select the range like this. That's also fine. Okay, that's it guys then. Thank you for watching, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, and do comment as well if you got more ideas for the videos, or you want to ask me something, go ahead. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.